Like animals, plants also respire for their survival. They get energy by the breakdown of the food they produce. The plants get energy by the process of respiration, in which glucose breaks down in the presence of oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water with the release of energy. Plants take in oxygen from air and give out carbon dioxide during respiration. However, they do not have special organs for respiration. As they do not have special organs for breathing, the exchange of gases takes place through different parts such as leaves, stems, and roots. Let's see the exchange of gases in the leaves. Okay, now the exchange of gases in the leaves takes place through the opening in the leaves and stem called stomata. If you look at a leaf, we find that it contains lots of small tiny holes inside it. These holes are known as stomata. And the stomata looks like openings and have two cells. These cells are known as guard cells. It is due to the expansion and contraction of guard cells that exchange of gases takes place in the leaves. These guard cells look like kidney beans. When this guard cell shrink, carbon dioxide gas enters into it, and when the guard cells expand, oxygen gas comes out. Thus, the exchange of gases takes place through diffusion. Okay, let's talk the exchange of gas through roots. Now, like all other living cells of the plants, the root cells also need oxygen to generate energy. The roots of a plant have a very large number of tiny hair on them called root hair. Air is present in between the particles of soil. The root hair are in contact with the air present in the soil particles. Here, oxygen diffuses in root hair and reaches all the cells of the root, where it is utilized in respiration. Carbon dioxide produced during respiration goes out through the root hair by the process of diffusion. Children, the stems of herbs have stomata for exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. The hard and woody stems of big plants and trees have lenticels for gaseous exchange. These lenticels are the tiny openings on the bark where the cells are loosely packed and have intercellular spaces allowing the exchange of gases. With respiration in plants, we end the chapter here. Let's quickly revise what we have learned in this chapter. So at the very first we learned about external respiration, that is breathing. Then internal respiration, which is the cellular respiration. Also we have learned about aerobic and anaerobic respiration, that is if the process takes place or if the respiration takes place in presence of oxygen, it is aerobic respiration, and if it takes place in the absence of oxygen, it is anaerobic respiration. We have seen the difference of both. Further, we have learned about the human respiratory system, where we have seen the organs and how the air passes through these organs and how the exchange of gases takes place in the lungs through alveoli. Also, we have seen the mechanism of breathing, where we have seen what happens when air is inhaled and air is exhaled. And lastly, we have seen the respiration in different animals through different organs like skin, air holes, lungs, gills, etc. And at the end, we have learned about respiration in plants, where we have seen that plants breathe through stomata, root hairs and the lenticels. Thank you.